Good day, everyone. It's a good Sunday. No, it's a rainy Sunday. It's a really bad rainy Sunday. But yeah, I'm heading out for a shoot right now. It's a wedding. It's referred by Frank, and yeah, we're on our way. It's gonna be an hour drive. Let's have fun. Yesterday I was shooting for Mio. I didn't film myself because I'm gonna give him the files, and if I can do that, I'm gonna get whatever. Anyway, let's go. Let me just double check if I have everything here. Okay, it seems like I don't. Oh, yeah, everything's here. I even have my RX 100. So let's go. Let's roll. Trying out one camera shooting right now. So I'll try to use my A7 IV to shoot all day today, but I'll bring my A9 with me just in case I fail. Yes, let's go. Just got myself caught up in heavy traffic, and yeah, we're stuck here. And this is so bright, so we're not using any filters for today because I'm lazy. I'm just gonna bump up the shutter to 200 as technical things and just for me to blabber. Just arrived here. I'm not sure if this is the right place. Better ask around now. Yep, the wedding's here, and yeah, let's show you the place. So this is the setup, and that's a table. Yep. It's quite a noisy one, but yeah, I'm done with my shoot for today. So heading off to the car right now. Just finished my shoot. It's kind of cold. Not wearing any jacket. So here we are. Okay, yeah, I'm in the car right now, and I'm heading out. I'm just gonna look for pizza because we might need some snacks for tonight. And yeah, so one of the things I realized from today's wedding is that I was trying to use my A7 IV because I've been spoiled. So yeah, I used the A9 for shooting, and it has a lot of frames. Like, you can burst it with a lot of frames. And whenever I shoot with the A7 IV, I feel like it's too slow. Like it's sluggish. So if I shoot with the A7C, same thing. And the worst thing with the A7C is that, what the fuck? Wait. The worst thing about the A7C is that it can only go 4,000 shutter. But I like the form factor. I like that it's small. For this case, I love the A9 still. The A9 original for shooting weddings, because they're heavy, they're light, and unlike the A1, it's a bit heavy. So if the A1's like same body as the A9, sorry, it'll be best for me. So silent shutter is good, but the problem with the A9 is that you can't go silent shutter with flash. The A1 ticks them all. It's good for videos, it's good for photos, it's good for silent shutter. It's the best camera, but it's a bit heavy. So I'm just being spoiled. I think it's heavy is too much when you're shooting a lot of weddings. So I'm gonna stick with my A9 version 1 for shooting weddings. That's my realization for today, and that's my daily rant for today. So yeah, that's it. Oh, that's a bit of hit. GTR. Yeah, I'm out here. Laura wants pizza. He said never mind, but I'm still gonna get pizza. So heading to 400 Grady right now. So here we are. Yep, heading back to the car right now. It's running late. Okay, done with the pizza. I'm heading home right now. It's getting late. Turn off lights. There you go. Just phone lights. Just arrived home. Finished eating the pizza and didn't film it. I'm new with this vlog thing, so good night for now. I'm gonna start editing.